Hi, hi, Nathan and Stacy. Uh, I see we've confused you, and I think the confusion comes because you've actually thought about it a little more than some of your classmates. So let's start with the formula. The formula for frequency. Let's see. Let me start. The formula for frequency is the frequency is equal to the speed of light c over the wavelength. Okay, now if you, where you're confused is on the units. So typically, and what you did is you actually put the speed of light here, the units were meters, so the frequency, meters per second, and and the wavelength in meters. These are the units. So let's think about problem number one. Given the frequency of the radio wave, so let's work the formula, then we're going to draw the circle. So uh, the question is what is the wavelength in number one? All right, so the wavelength. So let's work on the units. So remember, it's the speed of light divided by the frequency. So if you put the speed of light here in meters per second and the frequency in hertz, then the wavelength lambda will be in meters.
Satellite prism, HIDOMI, rising.
So now let's think about number one. So let's draw now. Typically, we take out. We don't like dealing in very big numbers, so we typically express the speed of light c in million meters per second, and that will make the wavelength come out in million meters per second. So typically for equation one, we draw the circle over here. We're looking for lambda. We know the frequency, so we typically express this in 300, understanding this really means 300 million meters per second. And we express the frequency in 100, knowing that this is million hertz. So this equation, this thing jumps down into the frequency is equal to 300 over 100 equal to 3. So if I've confused you, you can give me a call and we can try to talk it over. We can try to do something. But you showed a lot of ingenuity and have kind of struggled with for me to explain what we do, and maybe if I spend about 5 or 10 minutes with you on the whiteboard next Thursday, we'll get all this cleared up. Thank you for being so patient, and you're just about there. You just about got it done. We'll get this straightened out. So thank you.